This is a 3D printed version of the Mr. Monster robot from the 1960s. This one I did a forward and reverse switch. There's two AA batteries that go in the battery backpack. I don't think I can put that back on with one hand. And I did a mechanical spinning light effect inside the head and alternately flashing lights on the lower body. This is the prototype one. It only walks forward. There were no flashing lights there. And this one, instead, I did alternately flashing eyes and ears. The batteries are a little bit lower on this one. Doesn't quite have the speed of the other one. I've been playing with this one more. And this would be the actual original 1960s Mr. Monster robot. This is not the original antenna, however. It had a boxier one, although there was a version of this sold in the 1970s by Ward's that had an antenna that looked like that. And let's see, its on-off switch is down here, which again, I don't know if I can do with one hand, but we'll try. This operates, trying to turn it off with one hand. Don't think it can be done. There we go. I was going to say this operates on 2 D cells, both of which are in very good condition, so it's marching right along. There you have it.